What is the best way to make money on YouTube? Part 1. Step 1. Create a YouTube channel and grow it. Your YouTube channel is your personal online presence. Each YouTube account has a dedicated channel. A YouTube account is the same as Google account, and creating one gives you access to other Google services like Gmail and Drive. Step 2. Add content. Make an effort to upload high-quality content that isn't too long. Also, attempt to upload on a regular basis and in a consistent manner. Keep going even if your content isn't perfect at first. Make each video better than the one before it. Enhance your content by upgrading your camera or experimenting with new editing tools or techniques. Step 3. Gain an audience. To increase your monetization, you must first build an audience. To make any money from your adverts, you need people to watch them. There is no one secret to getting more subscribers. Simply create the greatest content you can and they will flock to you. There will always be haters. All you have to do is ignore them. You must be self-assured if you want to succeed. Continue to post content and try to hook folks. Share your video on social media sites like Twitter and Facebook. People should know about it. To become a partner, you must have subscribers. Step 4. Monetize your videos. You must enable monetization in order to begin earning money from your videos. This indicates you're giving YouTube permission to put adverts in your video. This also implies that you acknowledge that your video contains no copyrighted content. Visit www.youtube.com and select My Channel on the webpage. On the top bar, click the Video Manager link. Select the channel and turn on monetization. Step 5. Meet the requirements. To start earning money, you'll need at least 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers in the last 12 months. You can monetize a video as it uploads by clicking the Monetization tab and checking the Monetize with Ads box. After you've uploaded a video, go to your video manager and click the $sign next to the video you wish to monetize. Make sure the Monetize with Ads box is checked. Don't forget to like and subscribe.